We allow President Estrada, members of his family, to exit with dignity. Let us not be vindictive. Yes. Let us not be persecutive in mode. Ganun lang, pakiusap natin.
Sa isang iglap, bumuho ang huling haligi ng suporta ni Presidente Estrada nang talikuran siya ng pamunuan ng sandatahang lakas at PNP.
On behalf of your armed forces, the 113,000 strong members of the armed forces, we wish to announce that we are withdrawing support from the government. We will support the assumption the office of the constitutionally mandated successor, the Vice President.